Okay, we got our mouth. We just need to sand it some more here, but the mouth will close up good. That's what we wanted there. So we've marked where we want to put our neck pieces. So I'll cut out 3 blocks here for our neck pieces, and we're going to glue these together. And I'll let them sit for 24 hours. Let it set up, and then we can put the neck pieces on, and then move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
You can schedule and conduct virtual interviews all from your employer dashboard. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply. Wendy's $3 breakfast deal is a bacon or sausage egg croissant.
Well, we'll glue these together, and then we will glue it into the neck piece.
Don't imagine fresh cracked eggs, sizzling sausage, crispy bacon, and block out those hot, buttery, flaky croissants. Croissants don't really make a sound, but if they did, for a breakfast that don't miss, Wendy's is that breakfast. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's $3 breakfast deal. Limited time only. Participating U.S. Wendy's. Select request $3 breakfast deal to obtain discount. Not valid for other card or combo orders. Hear new music first on your free iHeartRadio app. This is
We'll just clamp these loosely. Make sure we keep it in place where we want it.
Playing now on your completely free iHeartRadio app, where the biggest stars in the world connect with you. Look for bright, sunny skies throughout our Tuesday. Maybe a few clouds towards the evening hours, but it won't dampen what will otherwise
Just wipe the glue up, and we'll set this aside and let it set up. Thanks for watching.